Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ernest, and today I am going to be talking about this tool that you can use to keep your PC healthy. And this tool is called Glary Utility. As you can see here, it is all-in-one powerful utility for cleaning your PC, boost PC speed, and fix frustrating errors, crashes, freezes, and name it. And the Glary Utility, as I said, is all-in-one system optimization and maintenance tool that can help you clean up junk files, fix common system issues, manage startup program, and much more. Whether your PC is slowing down or just want to keep it running at its best, the free version of Glary Utility offers a surprising amount of functionality without costing you a cent. This tutorial will guide you through the features and features available in the free version, how to use them effectively, and how this tool can help you extend the life and performance of your computer, especially if you are not ready to invest in expensive maintenance software. But I want to make a disclaimer here. I want to make this clear that this is not a sponsor video or tutorial. I am not affiliated with GlarySoft, the creator of Glary Utility, and I haven't been paid or compensated in any way to promote this software. Everything I share here is based on my own experience and opinion, with the goal of helping you make informed choices about this tool. So with that being said, let's go on and download this software. And before I proceed, I want to make sure you know that this software also have a paid version. So these are the different plans, but that's why I said I am not here to promote their product. I simply have found it and it's beneficial to me, and that's why I say let me share this with you guys. So I would like to download this. As you can see, it's downloading and it's completed. Now I'm going to double click here, and simple as that, agree, and join the customer experience. I think I'm not going to do that for now. So let's go through the installation. So this video will come to you in many sections because it has many tools that we can't cover them in one sitting, so I will bring it to you in many sections. Good. So now that we have installed GlarySoft, you can see there's a tool right here. It has come up. No thanks. So you see all this promo overview. You see promo is a paid version. These are paid version. That when you see a promo sign there, and when it will tell you your window boot time is very fast, and it will tell you in percentage how your system is fast compared to others. Right now we'll start with the maintenance part, which is the first tab here. This is maintenance part, and I can scan this. All this option here has the Registry Cleaner, shortcut fixer, disk repair, track eraser. You know what that means? Track eraser means it will erase everything that is on your computer, like browser history, all those things that you cannot recover them, or even files that you no longer want. When it comes to security, right? When it comes to security, you want to destroy files and all the like. This tool will be very good for that. So let's I want to take some few options here. you feel free to use it yourself and experiment with it. Let's scan. So here you see you can upgrade from here if you want, and these are the different options. The startup manager is telling me something here to close my Google browser. I don't need it for now, so I can close it. Now it has completed the scan. So Registry Cleaner has what, 94 issues found. Shocker Fixer have no issue. Temporal Files Cleaner have this amount, 1.19 gig found. So when I just say repair, you see issue resolved. So that's how it is. Let's give it some time to repair, Good. You see, those issues are gone. So how do we know they are gone? Let's scan again. If you scan again now, it should tell you that you have no issue. Good. So you see, the issue we found there are gone. Okay. Let's just take let's see about disk repair. Let's come about disk repair and track eraser. Just want to show you. It's analyzing. Yep, let's give it some time. I want all of us to observe how it's doing its work. So you can see that it has 3 issues found with track eraser. Okay, it has 3 issues found, and if I say repair, disk repair, there is no issue found with the disks. But track eraser have 3 issues here. Let's repair it. We are done. Let's scan again, because it's always good to be sure that the problem has been fixed. Okay, good. See, so our tutorial is coming to an end based on like I said, I'm going to go through each of these so that we can have a full understanding of the tool and and how you can use it to keep your PC healthy. That's the objective of this tutorial. Yes, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.